Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video just showing the size difference from a garden tractor, which is a MTD Yardworks 24 horsepower beside a 1952 Ford 8N. First noticeable difference is obviously the rear tires. The Ford has about 2 or 3 inches of tread on it compared to the old turf tires on the lawn tractor. Now this is a 24 horsepower Tecumseh motor, and this has the classic flathead 4 Ford engine. There's another size comparison. Now obviously the Ford is rated around 25 horsepower. The Yard Machines is a 24 horsepower Tecumseh 2-cylinder versus 4-cylinder. Now most people think, well, it's only 1 horsepower difference. However, the Ford could drag around that lawn tractor and probably another half a dozen behind it. Just do a full circle view. Now, if you've been following my series, I'm doing a restoration on this Ford 8N. There's a difference in width from the back. And I've got most of the frame and suspension painted. The rims are all done except for the inside of the back ones. I need to paint the nuts red and the nuts on the front red, as well as the little center cap right there. And I need to finish painting the motor. Got an oil filter coming for it, and I'm ordering a new radiator for it too. And I'm actually going to replace all the lights on the tractor with 6-inch LED headlights, which will be a lot brighter. So my plan tonight is to hopefully tackle the body work on the Ford 8N. Started it. Just need to get my butt in motion and get it all done. So it's just a little size comparison of the two tractors. Most people don't realize how large these Ford 8N tractors are, and they're actually relatively small tractor. But when you compare it beside a garden tractor, you can certainly see the difference in size. Anyways guys, just a short video. Any questions, comments, leave them below. And you might like to subscribe to my channel to see future updates on the tractors. Thanks, have a great weekend. Bye now.